Start anything. Here's what I'm gonna have you do. So we're gonna go. Which one's your best one? Left leg forward. Okay. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna get you to here, and then I want you to do this. Just try and get on the ball of your foot, and then sit back a little. Okay. Make sense? Okay. From there, we're gonna do this. Okay. And then I'm gonna take you back down, and then we'll do this. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. So let's get to there. Good. Now, let's go to the ball of the foot. Take your time. Try and get your ball of the foot on the floor.
Good. Oh, there. That was awesome and
Okay,
really
ball of the
fast.
foot. Good. A little dizzy.
No, this one's stable.
Okay.
Mentally or physically?
Physical.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm mentally unstable. So between the two of us, we're about even then, right? Okay, got it on the ball of the foot. Sit back a little. Okay, arm.
Too much.
Grab my
You
arm.
got it.
Okay, you ready? Okay, now let's press on this leg. Ah!
Nice job.
Pretty bueno.
That was so nice.
That was
That was
awesome.
great.
And that was fast.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back down. Let's not congratulate ourselves too much yet. All right. So we got to do the other side yet. Yeah? Let's not start partying just yet. Let's do the other one.